So hi friends, welcome back again to a brand new episode on your channel, Oh, the Parfum. If you're new here, you know the deal. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, that way you get notified for the next uploads. And meanwhile you're at it, please give us a thumbs up for this video. So the topic of today, it is an unboxing and first impressions of this fragrance right here. This is Yes, I Am the King, Le Parfum, by the company Geparlys. Over here we have the name of the company, as you guys can see. So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know this fragrance, but this video is also for the people that doesn't know about this fragrance. A lot of people say that it is like it smells like Bleu de Chanel parfum, or if it is inspired from Bleu de Chanel. We will find out in this video, and afterwards I'm gonna do another review, a full review for this fragrance, and compare it maybe with Bleu de Chanel. Anyways, this video is for the unboxing and the first impressions. So let's open the box, take off the cellophane, and get out our bottle from the box. So the presentation is really nice. I like this color. It is like matte dark blue, or blue, night blue, if you can call it that way. And you have over here the logo. I believe the logo of the company is Geparlys. I believe so, but I'm not sure. And the logo right here, it has this 3D feel. I think just like the letters over here. And on here we have more information. It says Eau de Parfum, concentration 100 ml right here, 3.4 fluid ounces. On the side there is nothing. And on the back right here, something that's very important, this stamp for the authentication of your product. This shows you if your product is authentic or not, and it confirms it, because there is, counterfeiting went out of hand really lately, and they are just copying everything. Any successful type of fragrance, it has like a copy of it out there. And over here I believe we have a badge code right here. I hope that you guys can see. And the name of the company, it is a French company, Geparlys Parfum. We have made in France, and the ingredients and all of that. So let's take out our, also on the top we have right here the name Le Parfum. Let's take out the bottle from the box, and this is our gorgeous bottle. It is, I would say it is pretty simple kind of bottle, as you guys can see. It's not like very luxurious. It has this classy, sophisticated look, especially with this golden accessory right here that has the lion face, just like the box. And over here we have the name of the fragrance, Yes, I Am the King, Le Parfum. Right here on the top we have the logo, also once again the lion. And I believe, yes, I believe that the cap also has this technique. It is a magnetic cap, so whenever I try to close it, it closes on its own, and it goes that way. So when you open it, you just have to turn it. See? And it turns on its own. Boom. See? It's beautiful. I really like this type of caps. It's really nice. On the back there is pretty much nothing. On the bottom we have, I believe, the badge code, and then more informations, 100 ml and all of that, made in France, etc. And the atomizer looks cool, a little bit smaller than what I usually like. The neck of the atomizer is a little bit tall. Let's see the inside of the cap, by the way. Yes, we do have the logo of the company Geparlys. So I believe the logo of this company is a G. I hope that you guys can see it. Yes, it's a G. And this company is known to have fragrances that are, it's like they get inspired of successful brands, successful fragrances, and they try to do their own version of that fragrance. Like for example, I'm gonna say 1 million. So they take 1 million, and it's like they get inspired from that fragrance and they do their own version of it. Of course, they are not 100% similar, but they have a little bit of differences. Of course, 1 million, it's I would say, yes, definitely better quality, and it has its own scent. And the other clone, if we can call it a clone, has its own character. So it's never 100% a copycat of the OG. Anyways, let's spray this fragrance for you guys for the video. Let's see about the sprayer. As I said, I don't really like this type of atomizers because they are a little bit smaller than what I like. But let's see about how it's gonna perform, if I'm gonna say that. It's okay. It does the job. Let's see it from this way. Yes, it's pretty much cool. So yes, let's smell it. I already know how this fragrance smells like, but I didn't smell it like from a while. It is beautiful. This is definitely, I mean, right away you tell that it is a crowd pleasing type of fragrance from the first blast. And it is ambroxy as well, and it has definitely this shower jelly feel like that you find in blue fragrances. So I can definitely say that this is a blue fragrance. And the opening really reminds me of Bleu de Chanel, but it has yes, it reminds me of Bleu de Chanel, the Parfum flanker. It is a little bit far from the EDT, far also from the EDP, but it smells like the Parfum version, but not, I'm not gonna say like yeah, there is differences, especially that let's say it from this angle. This is a first impressions type of video for this fragrance, and the first impression and the opening, it is not similar to Bleu de Chanel Parfum. Bleu de Chanel Parfum has a beautiful, much more beautiful opening than this one, and it has I would say like a clean type of smell at the beginning. Over here it is beautiful, I mean the opening for this one, it is beautiful, but it has this synthetic-y vibe, but it's not super synthetic, it's not so synthetic, it's not it doesn't give you that cheap type of feeling. It does smell really good actually, but it is the opening, it's much different than Bleu de Chanel, like any of the flankers. It is definitely different, but it reminds you of Bleu de Chanel. This is my point. And yes, it is a blue fragrance. I can definitely put it in that category of blue fragrances like Sauvage, like Dylan Blue, like Bleu de Chanel. So because you can smell this ambroxan, an ambroxy feel, and yeah, the shower jelly type of vibe as well. It's not a bad thing, because a lot of people, they hear shower jelly or ambroxan, they think it's bad. It's not. It's totally not. The fragrance is beautiful, and so far I really like it. But I'm not gonna tell you about my all of my impression about the fragrance. I'm gonna wear it for a few days. I'm gonna come back to you with a full review to tell you about the performance, how many hours it lasts, and how much or how is the sillage, how is the projection, and all of that. This was just for the unboxing and the first impressions. If you enjoyed the video so far, if this was a little bit helpful and valuable, please press the like button. It is for free, I promise. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps the channel, and I will appreciate a lot. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the review for this fragrance very soon, and stay tuned for other videos on the channel. Take care. Bye.